Good morning students. I am here with a new update of admission notification for class 11th in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Friends, it's a great opportunity for the students who have passed out 10th class in this academic year. So the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti issued a notification for class 11th for the vacant seats in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Friends, let us know the details of the admission notification in detail. Friends, as we know, the schools run by the central government. All the facilities are provided by the central government on free of cost, like free education, including boarding and lodging, as well as expenses on uniforms, textbooks, and stationery, etc. Everything is provided on free of cost. Now, let us know the eligibility condition to get admission in 11th class in Navodaya school. So, regarding date of birth, the candidate is to be between 1st June 2002 to 31st May 2006. It means here the student must be born in between these two dates. Those are 1st June 2002 to 31st May 2006. The student who born in between these two dates are eligible to apply. Then not only that, another condition is that student must have passed 10th from a recognized school affiliated to CBSE or any state board. So these are the two conditions to apply for the vacant seat in the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Then the selection of students will be done as per the following steps. District wise merit list will be prepared. Then after that a common merit list will be prepared at state level. Then the selected students will be informed by the principal of the concerned JNV by SMS or speed post. Fine. Then now let us know the details of the courses. The streams which are offered by the NVS are Science with Mathematics, Science without Mathematics, Commerce with Mathematics, Commerce without Mathematics, Humanities, and Vocational stream. So these are the courses available in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. So one more point is here: additional weightage of marks for admission to Science or Commerce streams in class 11th. The students who are having the certificates in co-curricular activities like games and sports, NCC, scouting, guiding are also giving preference, and weightage marks are also available for them. Children, consider this point while applying online. Then regarding application, how to apply for admission in class 11th. The candidate can fill the online application form directly on NVS website, that is www.navodaya.gov.in. So the last date to apply is 31st August 2020. The selected candidates list will be displayed in the website of the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, and the same information will be communicated to the students through post. It's a best opportunity for the students who wants to join in the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti for class 11.